the fucking minute that I press that record button, the minute I press the record button, the fucking construction downstairs starts. So I'm super sorry if you can hear that. Well, I guess I'm like not sorry. I don't know, because I can't really help it, but if you hear it, that's what it is. And then I also would just like to shout out my local Rite Aid for these cute fucking clips. You guys, $5 for a pack of 4. It comes with 2 black ones and then this light pink one and then a dark pink one. They have blue too, so check it out. These are super cute, trendy, cool girl clips, okay? Hi, welcome. I'm Maya, and today I am gonna be doing my makeup, and I'm gonna do a Twiggy inspired, like kind of 60s vibe eye makeup look. If you're into that, keep watching, and if not, I mean, stay a while. You might find out that you like it. Yeah, so without further ado, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and stuff if you want, and like this video, comment on it, why not? You don't have anything else to do, you're here, for God's sakes, okay? Yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm going to start by putting the Bioderma Anti-Redness Care. This is a base, as a primer. Okay, I already applied my SPF, very important, people. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, which might be a bit light for my skin right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna pat it in with the Beauty Blender to start, and this is about half a pump right now. I'll add more as I see fit. Okay, this foundation is like way too light for my skin, which I just think is so fun. I think that is just so fun for me. But we're just gonna keep going, okay? Because I plucked my eyebrows for this. Next, I am going to add just a bit more coverage. I'm just gonna use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Breakout just to spot conceal a little bit. And this is now, oh god, this is gonna be a mess. Now this is too dark for the foundation, and fuck, man. And I'm gonna lightly tap it in, tap, tap, tap in with my finger. Taking a beauty blender and just, ugh. I always am like, and I'm gonna go in, I'm finna take your beauty blender, lightly tap over everything, lightly, keyword. All of the products that I used today are linked in the description below, in case you were curious. Well, maybe they're not linked. Ideally they are linked, but they will be listed in the description below. So, for my under eye concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me. And blending it out with my mini beauty blender. Great, now we have a wonderful base laid for us. So very lightly, I'm gonna set my under eyes with a really, really small amount of the Winky Lux Diamond Powder. Okay, awesome, great. This look is gonna be mostly matte eyeshadow with a light cream color that's very close to my skin. I will be setting the entire area of my eyelid, and I really generously am applying this. take a light neutral shade. What I'm doing is really actually just trying to create a more round shape than I normally would by using these windshield wiper motions to really get that Twiggy-esque doll-like effect. With a dense flat brush, I am gonna start packing on that same lighter shade that we first put all over our eyes, or I did, you maybe didn't, I don't know. With the same transition shade, I'm quickly running it under my eye. Before going in with like the dark, you know, iconic Twiggy crease, just to make it easier on myself, I'm gonna outline with concealer. I should have started with the concealer outline, but I didn't, and it's fine. But I'm gonna set my eyelid again to make sure we can nicely apply that darker color. Now for the Twiggy liner part, using a smaller detailed brush and a dark, either black or very dark brown. I will be using a very dark brown because if I mess up, for some reason in my mind, it like makes it better that it's a dark brown, and I feel like I can blend it more than just using straight up like a black eyeshadow. However, do what you please. But we're gonna just really start in with this line, and it's super fucking hard and I can never get it to look good. Okay, so you can see I kind of started tracing that line of concealer that we put down. I'm just gonna keep kind of going over that, I guess. I think I find it easier to start from the outside and go inwards versus going into out, but it's totally your preference. Oh, it helps if you have, I don't know if my eyes are considered hooded or not. I've never really been able to figure that out, but a tip that I use is keep your eyes open, and you wanna go above where your eye crease is. Like, see how my eye crease is right here? I want to be like a little bit above that. Okay, so I have like the basic outline. I'm going back and forth between dark brown and black. I think it's fine, whatever floats your boat. But I'm just touching up my lines, making them thicker where I feel like they should be. Okay, great. Next, back in with our lid shade. Taking that light color and just pack it on the eyelid, almost tracing out with the eyeshadow a cleaner bottom part of this line that we have going on. Obviously it doesn't look perfect, and why is that? It's because nobody's perfect, okay? I'm not Twiggy. So now, yeah, the hard part's done. Awesome. So the trick is with the eyeliner for Twiggy, she goes a little bit past the bottom eyeline and actually angles it down, just following the natural line. See how I just dragged it a little bit past the eyeline, and the same with the inner corner. You just follow that natural line and extend it just a hair past the inner corner. I'm feeling very modular right now. Okay, so now I'm going to do the lower lash line. Just something like that. Really, you don't need that many of these little fake lash things. I did like 5 or 6, I think. Just kind of stamp and like move upwards. Okay, so here's the finished look. I did this off camera because it was charging, but I added a little bit of like a low blush, almost like a bronzer kind of vibe. I used the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk. It's like a brown peachy shade. And I think it turned out like pretty good. I feel like this is the crux of Twiggy, the eye makeup. And so I was thinking I would show you guys maybe 1 or 2 outfit ideas if you did want to recreate this look, you know, wear it as a Halloween costume. It's super easy, or literally even just like to go to school or the store or something, you know. I feel like the 60s are really in right now. This is the Twiggy look. And honestly, you guys, it's really easy. This obviously like doesn't look perfect, but you get the idea. I'm no makeup artist here, but I think you can tell that I'm trying to recreate Twiggy's eye makeup look. Super trendy. Okay, did you guys see Ariana Grande's Positions video? Like her makeup is very, without the black line, but it's super like 1960s-esque, very modular. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on all of like the stuff, Instagram, Twitter. You can add me on Snapchat if you want. Totally your prerogative. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really thankful that you clicked on it, and I hope you enjoyed. If you recreate this look or if this gave you some sort of inspiration, show me a picture if you post it. Tag me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever. Okay, I would love to see. I think it would be fun. I think that would be so cool if somebody recreated like one of my makeup looks. And I'm not like a makeup artist. I'm not like the best at makeup, but I love it. I love it. I love compliments. Who doesn't, you know? Okay, talk to me. Talk to me. I don't have that many friends. I'm quite lonely, so let's talk. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Comment, like, check out my other videos if you want. I would love it. That is all I have for you today. I hope to see you back soon. And now I'm gonna go. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please stay safe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Flower power, guys. Flower power.